welcome back to the RV Rundown, where we take a quick look at some of the hottest floor plans on the market today. I'm your host Barry, and today we're on the Southern RV sales lot standing inside a 2021 Zinger 331BH. This is a bunkhouse model. It's built with families in mind and is capable of sleeping a whole bunch of folks. Right as soon as we come through the entryway, we have storage and our control panel, quickly and easily accessible. Pushing forward, we're in our kitchen. They give us a nice large countertop that has sink covers that reveal a dual basin stainless steel sink. There's storage up under that. We have a 3-burner stovetop and oven below, microwave. We have a 12-volt Norcold refrigerator. Moving up, our entertainment center is angled and it sits across from a jackknife sofa. Down below, there is an electric fireplace and a sound bar. Behind me, we have the bunk room. This is the spot for the kids. This could double as both a media room and a spot that sleeps up to 4 pretty easily, maybe even 5 if you've got small kids. I'll quickly demonstrate. This top bunk drops straight down. Below it, we have a jackknife sofa that lays out. Below that, there's a trundle bed. And then, of course, we have the bunk over the entertainment center as well. Now, one of the big key features to this model is that it's bath and a half. So the kids back here have their own half bathroom with an emergency exit. Pushing forward, as we head up towards the front of the trailer, we pass the dinette on my left. This is a U-shaped dinette, and it will drop out to form yet another bed. They've given us more storage in this kind of awkward corner here, but they've made the most of it. And then this has a pass-through bathroom getting to the master bed. Glass enclosure shower, foot flush toilet, a corner sink, and more storage in the form of cabinetry above our toilet. There's a lot going on in such a small space. The bedroom itself hosts a queen bed, has closets on either side with hanging rods, as well as power and USB at the nightstand spaces. Like most of the units of this class, there is underbed storage as well, and it's strut assisted. Before we go, we're going to check out one last thing outside, because this one has a great outside kitchen. Let's get to it. So here at the back of the camper, we have our outside kitchen. This is sandwiched behind that entertainment center that was in the bunk room. Out here, we have a spot to hook up an outside TV with our power ports, as well as cable out. There's a sink, a small refrigerator that opens up. It's got a small freezer box as well. A little bit of extra storage. And then last but not least, they've given us a 2-burner stove that ties into the LP system. Pretty cool. Guys, if you want to see this RV for yourself in person, come on down to Southern RV in McDonough, Georgia, right off of I-75. You can visit us online at southernrv.com or give us a call at 770-477-0552. Until next time, happy RVing.